Welcome to Mon Play, the world of making money online. The internet has opened up endless of opportunities for people to earn a living from the comfort of their own home. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking for a way to add some extra on your income, the internet has something for you. With a little bit of effort and determination, you can achieve this, and even more. It can give you a head start of becoming financially independent and take control of your financial future. Let's explore the many ways to make money online and start taking the first steps towards financial freedom. Making money online has never been easier, and with the current state of the world, more and more people are turning to the internet to find ways to supplement their income. Whether you're looking to make a full-time income or just some extra cash on the side, there are plenty of opportunities to do so. Today we'll explore 10 proven ways to earn money online, from freelancing to starting your own business. So there's no excuses for not start building your extra income already. Number 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is by freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or have another skill that can be done remotely, there are plenty of opportunities to find work as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to start looking for work. You can easily offer your services in a wide range of categories including writing, graphic design, programming, video editing, and more. You set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world, and you have flexibility to work from anywhere, at any time. Plus, the platforms makes it easy to get started, with a user-friendly interface and tools to help you manage and grow your business. You can create a professional profile, showcase your portfolio, and get paid directly through the platform. They also have a reputation system, where you can build a strong online presence and attract more clients. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you're looking for a way to make money online by sharing your knowledge and expertise, look no further. If you have a talent for teaching, you can earn money by tutoring students online. Websites like TutorMe and Chegg allow you to connect with students who need help in a variety of subjects. To get started, simply create a tutor profile on one of the sites. On TutorMe, you can list your qualifications, experience, and the subjects you're available to teach. Next, set your hourly rate and start bidding on tutoring jobs that match your skills. TutorMe makes it easy for students to find you by providing a search function to browse through available tutors. You can also create a schedule that works for you and start teaching online classes. As a tutor on Chegg, you can earn money by answering questions and providing guidance to students in the subjects you're passionate about. You just need to take a short assessment to prove your qualifications and expertise. Once you're approved, you can start bidding on questions that match your skills. Chegg makes it easy for students to find you by providing a search function to browse through available tutors. You can also set your own hourly rate and schedule to fit your availability. Number 3. Online surveys. Another easy way to earn money online is by taking online surveys. Just by giving your feedback, websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars will pay you for your opinions on various products and services. Just sign up and create a profile. You'll then be matched with surveys that fit your interests and demographics. Each survey takes only a few minutes to complete and you'll earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can also refer friends and family to Survey Junkie and earn even more points. Plus, the more surveys you take, the more rewards you'll receive. Another one is Swagbucks. To get started, simply sign up at swagbucks.com and create your account. You'll earn points, called SB, for things like watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online and searching the web. Once you've accumulated enough SB, you can redeem them for cash or gift cards from popular retailers such as Amazon and Target. You can also earn SB by referring friends and family to Swagbucks. Plus, the more you use the platform, the more rewards you'll receive. Number 4. Selling products. You can also earn money by selling products online. Platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay make it easy to set up an online store and start selling your own products. To get started, simply sign up for an account on one of these platforms. On eBay and Amazon, you can sell new and used items, while Etsy is geared more towards handmade and vintage items. Once you've set up your account, you can start listing your products for sale. Take high-quality photos of your products, write detailed descriptions and set competitive prices to attract buyers. You can also offer free shipping or bundle items to increase sales. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products. By creating a website or blog and promoting affiliate products, you can earn money every time someone makes a purchase through your link. Find a product you like, sign up for the affiliate program, and promote it to your audience through your website, social media, or any other channel. Use your unique affiliate link to track sales and earn commission on each of them. Promote multiple products to grow your income. Number 6. Dropshipping. Another way to sell products online is through dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to keep any inventory, and you can start an online store with very little investment. Websites like Oberlo, Shopify, and WooCommerce make it easy to start a dropshipping business. Start by researching a profitable niche and finding a supplier who can offer high-quality products at a reasonable price. Next, set up an online store using one of the platforms mentioned. Make sure to optimize your store for conversions and build a strong brand. Start driving targeted traffic to your store through social media, influencer marketing, and advertisement on other sites. When an order comes in, place it with your supplier who will handle shipping directly to your customer. Collect payment from the customer, keeping a portion as profit. Continuously monitor and adjust your advertising and marketing strategies to maximize your profit. Number 7. Online courses. If you have knowledge or skills that others would pay to learn, you can create and sell your own online courses. Start by identifying a skill or knowledge area that you're knowledgeable and passionate about. Research the market to see if there's demand for an online course in your subject. Create high-quality, engaging video lessons and additional materials such as quizzes, PDFs, and more. Decide for a platform for hosting and selling your course, such as Teachable or Udemy. Start promoting your course through social media, email marketing, and other channels to build an audience and generate sales. Offer bonuses or promotions to incentivize people to enroll and share your course with their network. Continuously iterate and improve your course based on student feedback to increase satisfaction and enrollment. Number 8. YouTube. You can also earn money by creating and uploading content to YouTube. By building a following and monetizing your channel through advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, you can earn a significant income. You've probably been watching videos on YouTube and been forced to watch advertisement before, during, or several times during watching the video. This is the channel creator earning good money of advertisers getting to place their advert on this videos. How much money you'll earn all depends on how much your videos are being watched and how many times the ads are getting exposed. Number 9. Content creation. Choose a niche and create a high-quality blog, vlog, or even podcast of something that you're passionate about. Offer valuable content that your audience will enjoy and keep coming back for more. Promote your site or channel on social media and other online platforms to grow your audience. Monetize it through advertising. Reach out to brands and businesses that align with your content and offer them ad space on your site or show. Offer premium content and memberships to your most dedicated fans. This could include exclusive posts, episodes, early access, and more. Number 10. Starting your own business. Finally, if you're looking for a more long-term way to earn money online, you can start your own business. Whether it's an e-commerce store, a consulting business, or a software company, the internet has made it easier than ever to start a business from scratch. This is of course some work, but for a start you need to identify a market need and then validate your business idea. After that you choose your niche and create a unique brand and identity. From then you can build a website or online platform to promote your products or services. In conclusion, there are many ways to earn money online, and the opportunities are endless. From freelancing, to starting your own business, to creating content on YouTube, there are many ways to make a living on the internet. Consistency and not giving up is huge factors, and you should also take care of both quality and quantity. The most important thing is to find something you enjoy and have a passion for, and then put in the work to make it a success. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel. And there is much more videos for how to make money online to come.